Hello Virgo, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Virgo, this is your reading for the month of October 2021 and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Also Virgo, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. Okay, I would request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Okay, Virgo, in this reading we're going to see what is it that you need to know about your love situation and about your money, your career, your finances. Okay, so as far as your love is concerned, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy, and then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, I'm going to pull out some cards from another tarot deck and they will represent the messages regarding your money, your career and your finances. Okay, so let's get started now. Queen of Cups, then we have is the Fool, and we have is Five of Pentacles, the Magician, then we have is Eight of Wands, and we have is Three of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and we have Ace of Swords. As far as your money is concerned, let's pull out some more cards. No, I'm not yet done shuffling. What is it that you need to know, Virgo, as far as your money, your career, and your finances are concerned? We have his Nine of Cups and we have his Ace of Swords and we have his Knight of Wands and we have his Two of Swords. Okay, so yes, coming back to your love reading, you may be dealing with an Aries, you may be dealing with Gemini, you may be dealing with Virgo. Okay, Aries, Leo, Sag, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces and Scorpio is what I'm hearing. Okay, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. So Queen of Cups, the Fool, and Five of Pentacles for you, Virgo. Okay, so with that Queen of Cups, somehow I'm feeling, Virgo, that you're thinking a lot. Okay, there are a lot of thoughts running at the back of your mind and these thoughts are about your future. Okay, you want to settle down very soon now. You especially whosoever wants to have kids, you guys want to have kids, you want a stable love life, and you are bit worried. And then there is also a lot of excessive thinking that is going on about the future of your love life. You're like, now I want to settle down. It's high time that I settle down. It's high time that I find the right person. Maybe you're doing a lot of self-talk whenever you're alone in the room, or whenever you're alone in the room you keep on talking to the universe a lot. You are like, when will I find the right person? Why I was required to go through so much of pain in the love relationships? Why there was so much of betrayal? Why people love betraying me? Why people love mistreating me when I am so nice to them? Right? You are subconsciously craving for the presence of your soul tribe. I am also sensing, Virgo, that probably you are also not happy with your friends, okay, or maybe family members. You have experienced betrayals, or you have experienced false friends, you have experienced mistreatment, breaking of your trust from your near and dear ones. And I see you doing talk to the, I see you engaging into some sort of a conversation with the universe, or you talk whenever you're alone in the room, you talk as though if there is someone else that is present in that room. Okay, and you are like, why me? Why am I supposed to, why was the pain, why so much of pain was given to me? Okay, and maybe especially whosoever is a female watching this, and especially who wants kids, who who want to have kids in the future, you have started feeling those motherly instincts inside you. Okay, you're like, now I don't want only a life partner, but I'm also craving for kids. I also want to extend my family. I want to extend my bloodline. Okay, there is this urge inside you to form a legacy. Okay, you want to have someone of your own. Probably what I'm getting with that Queen of Cups is that wherever you're staying right now, you're not happy, or you're not happy with people surrounding, whosoever is surrounding you. Maybe you're staying with your family, or maybe you're staying with your friends, maybe your roommates, or wherever you're working right now, you're not happy. There is some environment in which you're not happy, Virgo. Okay, and you want to take a leap of faith in a different direction, in an uncharted territory. You are feeling like, I'm so tired of this environment, let me take a risk and let me explore a new environment. Maybe I'll find someone else over there. Okay, maybe it will change my mood, maybe it will, you know, uplift my mood, and bring some sort of excitement in my life. Okay, with that Five of Pentacles, I see that you are making some decisions. Okay, say for example, you want to go for a travel. Okay, or say for example, someone new is someone new is about to enter in your life, or someone new is interested in you, and you are entertaining this new person. Earlier you were a bit stuck around your past person, but now that new person has knocked the doors of your heart. Okay, or if there is no one right now in your life, someone soon will enter in your life. You will allow this person to enter in your life, and you will automatically find that you will start forgetting your past person. Okay, the moment you allow the entry of a new person, or the moment you do something which will uplift your mood, or which will bring the excitement in your life, or maybe you you travel, you go for a travel, or you change the company, or you change the job, or you do something for your own, say for example, you start with entrepreneurship. Okay, something different you are doing, that which you had not done in the past, and whatever you're doing is uplifting your mood, and that is allowing you to walk away from your past person. Okay, so as far as your person is concerned, Magician, Eight of Wands, and Three of Wands. Some communication will come your way which will sort of require you to make decision. Okay, so it can be a communication about your past person. It can be someone new will confess that they want to be with you, or let's go on a dating, let's go for dating. And maybe you were holding yourself back from making this decision, but now what I see is that you will be making some decisions around your love life. Okay, again, it's like whether you want to proceed, you want to wait, but I'm sensing that you are already in that energy where you are ready and willing to entertain someone new. In fact, you are manifesting someone new. Your past person is also manifesting you, by the way. Okay, but even if they are manifesting you, I don't see that their energy is bothering you. Probably in the past, their energy did bother you. You were stuck. Okay, you were feeling stuck, but now there is a shift in your energy. Okay, you will gain some momentum in the energy. If there is this, if this new person is going to enter in your life, then I see that there is a strong likelihood that this person stays far away from you. You'll meet this person online. Okay. The mutual energy is Queen of Wands and Ace of Swords. Yeah, the communication is coming, which will bring a lot of clarity around your love situation. Okay, you will start feeling happy all over again. You'll start feeling very passionate about yourself, about your own life, about your love life all over again. Maybe you experienced a lot of dull period when it comes to your love situation, but now you will feel enthusiastic, you will feel happy all over again. Okay. Somehow I'm sensing that you're changing your friends. This message around friends is coming a lot. Okay, you're changing your friends. So as far as your money and your career, your finances are concerned, 9 of Cups, Ace of Swords, Knight of Wands, 2 of Swords. Okay, there is a shift in the energy when it comes to your money, career and finances also. Okay, we have Ace of Swords twice. You will start feeling a lot more passionate than when it comes to your career and your money. Maybe there are a lot of ideas that are like running at the back of your mind. Maybe some of you want to change a job, or some of you want to do something of your own. I'm also sensing that you have some good psychic abilities. Some of you want to become tarot card readers, or some of you want to become a healer. Some of you want to become an occult. You guys are occult enthusiasts is what I'm feeling, and you want to give a try for that field. I'm also sensing that some of you like celebrity status. Okay, and you may do something related to media, or you may do something related to films, you may do something related to television, I don't know, or maybe even advertisement. Yeah, you like getting exposed to the camera is what I'm feeling. Okay, or you may also do something, you may start a personal blog where you will be posting what are you doing on daily basis. Okay, or you may be doing you may start with a travel blog. Okay, 2 of Swords, you were confused about certain ideas in the past, but there is a lot of clarity that is coming now. Okay, the key to success has been handed over to you. Okay, the key to success has been handed over to you. Now you need to find the lock. Okay, and you will be able to find the lock to unlock the success. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.